Hey folks, Alamanik the Hot Rod Hippie here. This video is the first in a new series I'm calling Tool Tip Tuesday. In this series, we're going to break down one tool each week that I personally like and recommend. It's not going to be a full product review, just a quick look at something that I think you might be interested in. So let's get to it. So for the first video in this series, we're taking a look at the Lyle 55000 wire holder. This is a really handy little thing I've been using for years now for my soldering operations. It's got magnets in the base, in the side arms. It can swivel around to different setups, and it's really handy for holding wires together for when you're doing soldering operations. If you're up underneath the dash trying to do a quick soldering job, well, you can go ahead and stick this to the underside of there, hold the wires together, ready to go, and it'll keep them together for when you're soldering. Nothing's worse than when you're mid-solder joint, you're getting that solder into there, and the wire pulls apart. Now you gotta set it all back up. You've got solder into your wire now, so not gonna splice together nicely. It's a real pain. This is a much better setup for doing these simple operations. It's basically a condensed down soldering station to take right to a project and work with. I use it all the time when soldering wires together. Personally, I very often take the arms off of the base and stick them just together. That way they're a little closer together and really holds the wires together nicely without having to span a large gap. One thing I've noted people saying they don't love about this setup is that the teeth on the alligator clips that hold the wires will leave imprints in the insulation of the wire. Personally, I don't find that to be a problem because I usually heat shrink over where you would see that anyway, so I don't have an issue with that. So I'm going to show you how this actually works now. Set up the wire in here. It's a really quick, easy way to do this. I usually just clip one wire in one side. I've already got these 18 gauge wires stripped back, ready to solder together. So I usually put one in there and then I stick the other one into the first wire. And I just kind of splice the two wires together, push them in toward each other, spin them around one another so they're balled up a little bit, grab the soldering iron and get to it. I love this because it's a really handy little setup to hold the wires together and my hands are free to continue to work without having to fiddle with the wires, twist them together too much to have a big bulky connection. None of that stuff. This guy is just holding them together and I can solder. Boom. And like that, I have a nice tight little solder joint ready to go. So I really like this thing. I've been using one of these for years now for my wiring operations. I definitely recommend this tool. It's from Lyle. Again, the part number is 55000. This thing is available on Amazon for about $17 right now, and that is prime free shipping. You can find it cheaper than that, but everywhere else I found where it's cheaper, you're gonna pay shipping. So you're gonna end up over that $17 anyway. You'll find a link down in the description to go over to Amazon and pick one of these up if you're interested. That is an affiliate link. It will help me out. I get a little commission from Amazon if you purchase items through those links. You do not pay any more than the normal price. I just make a little bit of money so I can continue to make these videos. All right, folks, I hope you found this new series interesting. Go ahead and drop it a like if you did. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have one of these? Do you have a different setup like this that you use for your soldering jobs? What do you do? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content like this each week, along with the regular videos. And thanks for coming around, folks.